Hi guys, how we doing? I've just lost my coin. Can I have number 13, please? Come forward if they've number 13. Here we go, number 13. And how about number 12? Number 12. Right, okay, so number 13, heads or tails? Heads. So the yellows are picking heads. I can't remember to flip a coin, it's been so long.
Which way's heads?
I choose.
He chooses.
Oh no, we say clockwise.
It's tails. Oh. Number 12. Blues, choose your direction.
Up the hill first.
Blues are going up the hill. The Blues are going up the hill. 3, 2, 1, go. Blues up the hill. Blues cross the bridge. Yellows turn right.
That's up the hill.
The Blues going up the hill. And the yellows along the canal. Well done.
Well done, mate. You're second. Jamie's last. Yeah, well done, mate.
Well done. Yes, that's right, yeah.
Well done, mate. You're doing great.
Won the kissing gate.
Go on. Go on, see it home. Well done, mate.
Number 5. You're going straight over. Straight to the pub. Go left, go left, go left. Not finished yet. This is Anna. Anna was taking it easy today. Back to the pub. This guy turned up a minute before the start. Thing. Well done, guys.
Straight down.
Straight down to the pub. Straight on, straight on. Well done. Straight over. Straight over. Cross the bridge and then straight over back to the pub. Some nav issues, lads. Had some nav issues.
I did an extra mile round the Millennium and got lost.
Oh, brilliant. Well done, thank you.